Okay, my name is Fatih Rahmat Zaki. Uh, I want talk about some people use telephone or by email. I choose speak by phone. Why? This is my opinion. I prefer to keep in touch with my friend and family by telephone because it allows for more direct and personal communication. When I talk to someone on the phone, I can hear their voice, tone, and emotion, which help me understand their feeling better. For example, if a friend is excited or upset, I can notice it immediately from the way they speak. This makes the conversation feel more natural and meaningful. Another reason is that calling is much faster than reading messages or emails. When I need to share important information or get an immediate response, using the telephone is more efficient. It also helps avoid misunderstandings because we can clarify things right away during the call. Lastly, talking on the phone helps me feel more connected, and some voice makes the interaction feel more real and personal, especially when I miss them or haven't met them for a long time. For this reason, I prefer using the telephone to stay out with the people I care about. Okay, guys, here's my response to the conversation. Some people stay in touch with friends and family through letter or email. Others stay in touch by phone. Which method do you prefer and why? Include details and example in your explanation, and I prefer the phone method. That's all. More and less. I apologize. That's all. And thank you.